Hey everyone, it's Blank here, and I wanted to talk about design systems. And if you don't know about design systems are basically how not only does the site look, how does every single element that could interact with looks like. So I honestly think that design systems is a mixture of typography and layouts and everything. And in this video, we are going to talk about it a bit more. So if you see, once you have a vision set, so for example, if you have a vision set for this, you're gonna probably gonna say ki, that every single thing should look similar to that, and that is true. That is not correctly true. If you see here, for example, I made this site for a client, and yeah, the design systems are consistent to a theme, not a element or not a layout. You can pretty much make different layouts and different themes and stuff for making a sense out of everything. And yeah, I think design systems are really important, and you should really invest in them. And just for that, I would like to talk about a few design systems that I really endure. One of them is Sacred Computers. Now, Sacred Computers is basically like a shared scene component template, but I honestly think that this is a really fascinating design system that you could use to make your um, make your site really interesting. Other a few more design systems that I really liked is uh, something that designers do. So if you come to like craftwork.design, you could see that a lot of designers have this typographical, you know grid like design systems, which is based on their work, but honestly you could take inspiration from it. I feel that you should take inspiration from a lot of design systems in design. And yeah, and developing this is very easy as well. If you see, even on my own site, honestly I started designing this site with just this in mind currently, but then I got the idea of this layout, and that became my guiding design principle, that if I want to design something like this, I'm going to design the system based on this template or this layout. And you can see in a lot of my design work as well, I do the same things. It's all a gritty, black and white clean layout that just makes sense for the project. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video, and in this video I would like to give you out a template as well, with a design system that I made, and this is entirely free of cost. You don't have to pay me anything. It is MIT licensed, made with Next.js and ShadCN, and honestly it's really good. If you really like this, please share the video, and I promise I will continue making more and more of this stuff in the next videos. Thank you so much.